fine time, JoJo, but I still haven't seen Mr. Hammer today.
Surprise! I'm bored. Hey, what you doing? Here comes the airplane!
I swear, I'll stop buying nachos. Why don't you go play with your dolls?
Why don't you?
But how did you? Oh, never mind. Just go to Olga's place. Break some of her stuff.
Ugh, she's really far away.
Good.
Jojo!
Hi, Olga. Can I
Have a cookie? Of course you can.
play with your laser gun?
Actually, I'm busy with big projects. You see, I'm designing a quantum disrupting modulator that oscillates subatomic particles parallel to the frequency of our dimensional plane, ergo permitting the movement of matter across the space-time continuum into any disappearing cosmic point.
Can you say something?
Wil anyway lots to do, but today to bounce along. Любовь моя.
But
Buenos taco.